My favorite quote is by Arnold Schwarzenegger when people ask him about being a self-made man. He says that I am not a self-made man. I sit on the shoulders of giants. And that's a lot of what we do in open source. I myself, my life has been changed and saved by open source. When I left the Air Force thinking the world was my oyster, what happened was I learned quickly during the apex of the recession that that was not the case. And I had 3 job options: cop, security guard, or go back overseas as a private military contractor. Didn't like 2 of those options, and the other option wasn't even hiring because we were in a recession. Government wasn't hiring cops at that time. So I had no idea what to do. Saw a weird commercial about software engineering. Was like, what is this thing? What are these geeks on TV doing? Googled it, saw something about SQL, started learning SQL, and got my first job with Department of Homeland Security as a database analyst. Fast forward from 2014, a family called me in Memphis, Tennessee, in need of someone to help them raise money to help bury their son, who was an Army veteran. And a lot of the nonprofits in their local area had already shunned the idea. So with nothing more than the experience I learned from open source on how to write code and the worst server setup you could ever think of, I launched a website and with a GoFundMe account, and 27 hours and $10,000 later, Vets Who Code was born. And what Vets Who Code does is we stand on the shoulders of giants in the open source community. We use that open source technology that you guys create, and we teach veterans how to utilize that to get jobs in the software engineering market. Primary focus is on JavaScript. Anybody here from Mozilla, thank you. We love your work. You're practically our Bible. And because of that, we've been able to focus with JavaScript first, open source technology nonprofit that's remote, able to help over 100 veterans in 14 states get jobs.